One unit above the 10-shu acupoint is the 滑肉门 acupoint, which helps to lose body fat. The 滑肉门 acupoint has been used to lose weight/body fat in the ancient time. By the name, you could guess it's about losing fat. I used the abdominal 8-point treatment with the additional point Zone 1. Zone 1 acupoint will control one's appetite, eat less, gain less fat. The abdominal 8-point treatment, by its name, consists of 8 points.
大横2层，在滑肉门这是2层，水分因为
People overweight tend to have more body dampness, so 1 needle on 水分 acupoint. It's the only one on the conception vessel. Above that is the Zone 1 acupoint. As I mentioned, it is to limit appetite, so to eat less, therefore lose weight. Tianshu and Dahen acupoints aim to be clearing out both small and large intestines, so better enabling weight and fat loss. For needles on legs, considering her age, over 40 years old, nearing menopause, things go less
年期
easily.
的就是不是很顺了。
I used 2 needles on San Yin Jiao points. San Yin Jiao means 3 yin meridian channels converging on this
阴
point.
茎三阴交，三阴交就是3根阴茎交在这个位置，交在这个点，
It replenishes 3 components at once: liver, spleen, and kidney.
肝脾肾全补了。
Avoid very oily foods, such as fish and red meat. It should be okay. Don't need to anything particular. Avoid spicy and agitating foods, especially during treatment periods. In our clinic, patients usually see results in 1 to 2 weeks on average, with 2 treatment sessions each week.
每周治疗2次，
People overweight usually has weaker body constitution.
体质都比较虚弱，也不能太接近，太接近人会更虚。
We use a reinforcing method when removing needles. Just press the point to close the hole after removing. It is so-called reinforcing techniques in acupuncture. For those who are not suitable for body acupuncture, they can try ear acupuncture. There are many solutions in TCM, such as herbs, but the choice of method always depends on the patient's situation.
实际情况来决定。
The ear acupuncture point is called hunger point. After 1-day treatment, one will feel hungry easily and eat less, gradually inducing weight loss.
人慢慢就会瘦下来。